we'll guide you through how to create a Wix blog. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Wix website and sign into your account. If you don't have one, you can easily create it by following their sign-up process. Once you're logged in, head over to the dashboard and click on the Create New Site button. You'll see a variety of templates. Choose one that fits your style for a blog. After selecting a template, click on Edit Site to open the Wix editor. Now, in the left-hand menu, click on Add, then select Blog from the options. This will add a new blog section to your site. You can customize your blog by clicking on the Blog Manager. Here, you can manage posts, add categories, and adjust your blog settings. To create a new post, click on Create New Post. Write your content in the editor, add images, and format it to your liking. When you're happy with your post, go ahead and hit Publish. Your blog post will now be live. If you want to customize the design further, you can go back to the Wix editor and adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to match your vision. Remember to save your changes frequently. Once you're satisfied with everything, click Publish in the top right corner to make your entire blog live. It's as simple as that. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.